So one design technique is a sitemap hierarchy, which shows the structure and relationship of pages in your website. It should show pages and how they link, possible HTML page names, media elements such as images, audio, video or interactive, and you can see on each page it's showing little icons, and possibly what pages would link to external sites. So there's a www link, and how pages are grouped. They have similar look and feel, so they have a shared CSS, which I haven't shown on this one. So you can create a sitemap using a word processor presentation tool such as PowerPoint, which I've used here in figure 1, or an online tool. The resources link, which is below, contains templates for both PowerPoint and Google Slides, which is the one that I've got here on the right. For the online tools, you can often try them out, however most of them will not let you save your work. If you want to save your sitemap, you can use a screen capture tool to take a screenshot.